Welcome to Healthy Care Over 50, your go-to source for practical tips and in-depth information to help you live a healthier, more vibrant life as you age. On this channel, we believe that taking control of your health after 50 doesn't have to be complicated. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most powerful natural processes that your body uses to fight aging, eliminate damaged cells, and promote overall health: autophagy. Whether you're just starting your health journey or looking to optimize your current routine, we'll show you how fasting, combined with the right food choices, can supercharge your body's ability to heal itself. Stay tuned as we explore how you can unlock your body's full potential with simple yet effective strategies. When someone receives a diagnosis of a chronic disease, it can feel as though their world has come to a halt. The typical response is to rely on medication, believing it's the only way forward. But what if I told you that your body has a hidden, powerful mechanism capable of fighting chronic diseases and even reversing the aging process? Our bodies are incredible machines, equipped with the ability to heal themselves, far more powerful than we often realize. In this video, we'll explore how to unlock your body's natural self-repair mechanisms to eliminate damaged cells and regenerate newer, healthier ones, enhancing both your immune system and overall health. Autophagy is at the center of this powerful healing process. The term autophagy, from the Greek word meaning self-eating, describes the body's cellular cleanup mechanism. It acts as an internal recycling plant, identifying damaged cells, removing them, and reusing their components to create stronger, healthier cells. But autophagy is more than just a cleanup process. It plays a critical role in immune defense. For example, during a fast, when nutrient levels drop, cells aggressively seek out harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria, expelling them. Autophagy also recognizes cells on the verge of becoming cancerous, eliminating these zombie cells before they can multiply. By removing dysfunctional cells, autophagy slows the aging process and reduces the risk of age-related diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. To trigger autophagy, the body needs the right conditions, and fasting is one of the most effective ways to activate it. Fasting doesn't mean starving yourself. It involves creating windows of time when you abstain from consuming calories. Fasting can be intermittent, involving shorter windows of not eating, such as 12 or 16 hours, or it can extend over longer periods, like 24, 36, or 72 hours. The science behind fasting shows that after about 8 hours without food, your body begins to run out of glucose, its primary source of energy. At this point, the liver starts producing ketones, an alternative energy source. These ketones not only fuel the brain, leading to enhanced mental clarity, but they also reduce hunger hormones like ghrelin, making fasting easier the longer you go. As your body adapts to fasting, several processes are activated that support cellular health. Fasting promotes DNA repair, improves insulin sensitivity, and reduces oxidative stress, all of which contribute to increased longevity and protection against chronic diseases. The benefits of fasting progress through different stages. After 12 hours, the body begins to deplete its glucose stores and produce ketones, marking the early stages of autophagy. Many people report increased mental sharpness as their bodies switch from glucose to ketone metabolism. After 13 to 15 hours, growth hormone levels spike, increasing by as much as 1,300% in men and 800% in women. Growth hormone is essential for fat metabolism, muscle maintenance, and slowing down the aging process. Studies show that at this stage, C-reactive protein, CRP, a marker of inflammation associated with conditions like heart disease and cancer, begins to drop significantly. By 17 hours, full-scale autophagy kicks in, and your cells start identifying and eliminating dysfunctional or damaged cells. This is crucial for anyone looking to slow aging or prevent degenerative diseases. After 24 hours, an incredible reset happens in your gut. Intestinal stem cells are activated, repairing the gut lining, which is essential for improving digestion and overall health. This is particularly beneficial for people with conditions like inflammatory bowel disease or leaky gut syndrome. A healthy gut is vital for maintaining a strong immune system, and fasting helps rejuvenate this important organ. After 36 hours, the body shifts into deeper fat-burning mode, targeting visceral fat, the fat surrounding your internal organs that poses the greatest risk to your health. At this stage, the body is almost entirely reliant on stored fat for energy, helping you shed pounds sustainably. After 72 hours, the entire immune system undergoes a reset. Old damaged immune cells are replaced with fresh, new ones. The body effectively flushes out cells that are no longer functioning properly, replacing them with more efficient, stronger immune cells. Research shows that this immune regeneration can be particularly beneficial for people undergoing treatments that weaken the immune system, such as chemotherapy. Now that we've explored the science behind fasting and its remarkable benefits, the next question is, how often should you fast? The answer depends on your health goals. A 72-hour fast provides profound benefits, such as complete immune system regeneration, but you don't need to do it frequently. Twice a year is enough for deep cellular cleansing and immune enhancement. For those dealing with mental health issues like anxiety or depression, a 48-hour fast once every 3 months has been shown to improve mood significantly due to changes in brain chemistry caused by ketones. For individuals aiming to lose weight, a 36-hour fast once a month is ideal, as the body starts burning stubborn fat stores. If your goal is overall health and longevity, incorporating a weekly 24-hour fast can deliver consistent benefits without being too difficult to maintain. Additionally, intermittent fasting, restricting your eating window to 6 to 8 hours a day, is an excellent and sustainable way to promote autophagy and long-term health. One of the most exciting aspects of fasting is that it achieves something modern medicine often cannot. It triggers the body's natural healing powers without relying on medications or external interventions. Through autophagy, your cells become more resilient, inflammation is reduced, and your risk of chronic disease is dramatically lowered. By learning to harness the power of fasting and autophagy, you can take control of your health, unlocking the potential for a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Maximizing the benefits of fasting is not just about the fasting window. What you eat when you break your fast can dramatically affect how your body responds. Choosing the right foods can enhance autophagy, reduce hunger, and provide your body with essential nutrients to support healing and regeneration. Here are 8 foods that can optimize the benefits of fasting. 1. Avocado. A great way to break a fast is by starting with a source of healthy fat, and avocado is one of the best options. But why choose fat first? Consuming fat after fasting helps to suppress the hunger hormone ghrelin, which reduces cravings and makes you feel fuller, longer. This allows you to reintroduce food into your system without triggering the urge to overeat. Avocados are nutrient-dense, packed with healthy fats, and loaded with vitamins like potassium, which helps balance electrolyte levels after fasting. By eating half an avocado first, and then waiting a bit before consuming anything else, you'll find that your appetite is more controlled and you won't crave the foods you thought you might. 2. Coffee. Coffee, when consumed in moderation and under the right conditions, can significantly boost autophagy. Studies show that 1 to 4 hours after drinking coffee, autophagy increases in the liver, muscle tissue, and even heart tissue. However, it's essential to choose organic coffee, as conventional coffee may contain pesticides that counteract these benefits by introducing toxins to your system. Additionally, coffee is often contaminated with mold, so it's important to select mold-free varieties to avoid negating the positive effects. Organic, mold-free coffee during your fasting window can accelerate the cellular repair process, especially in tissues that support vital organs. 3. Green tea. If coffee is too stimulating for you, green tea is an excellent alternative that still provides autophagy benefits without the stronger stimulant effects. Studies conducted in 2019 revealed green tea's neuroprotective effects, which help protect the brain and nervous system while simultaneously stimulating autophagy. Green tea is a universal autophagy stimulator, acting on any cells exposed to it. Furthermore, tangerine tea, specifically tangerine essential oil, has been found to trigger autophagy in cancerous neuroblastoma cells, showing its potential in supporting cancer prevention. Drinking green tea regularly, especially during fasting periods, can help detoxify your body while protecting your brain cells from damage. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly high-quality extra virgin olive oil, has a profound effect on the body during fasting. It contains compounds that help break down beta-amyloid and tau proteins, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. It also shows potential in fighting cancer, including metastatic osteosarcoma. However, to maximize its benefits, the olive oil must be organic and fresh. If olive oil sits out too long or is exposed to heat, it can become rancid and lose its health-promoting properties. Avoid heating olive oil to the point of smoking, as this turns it into an inflammatory fat. Consuming a tablespoon of olive oil during your fasting window can enhance autophagy, particularly in the brain, and support overall health. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerhouse spice when it comes to stimulating autophagy. Its active component, curcumin, is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Adding turmeric to your diet during or after fasting can help boost the body's autophagic processes, especially in pancreatic cells. Studies show that curcumin can even stimulate apoptosis and autophagy in cancerous cells, inhibiting their growth. For maximum absorption, it's best to consume turmeric alongside black pepper, which enhances curcumin's bioavailability, allowing it to penetrate cells more effectively. You can add turmeric to stir-fries, soups, or smoothies, or take it as a supplement to enhance autophagy throughout your body. 6. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are antioxidant powerhouses that provide numerous health benefits, including the stimulation of autophagy. Their high polyphenol content helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports the body's natural detoxification processes. What makes berries especially useful during or after fasting is their low sugar content, meaning they won't cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. Studies show that berries can also improve brain function, boost memory, and help protect against neurodegenerative diseases by supporting cellular health. Their natural sweetness and nutrient density make them a great addition to a post-fasting meal, offering vitamins, fiber, and hydration to kickstart your digestive system in a gentle, nourishing way. 7. Dark chocolate, cacao. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with a high cacao content, 70% or more, can be a surprisingly powerful addition to your fasting routine. The flavonoids and polyphenols in dark chocolate are known for their ability to support autophagy and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Cacao has been shown to protect the heart by improving circulation, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing cholesterol profiles. Additionally, cacao supports brain health by improving cognitive function, memory, and mood, making it an excellent food for those seeking mental clarity during or after fasting. It's important to choose dark chocolate that is free from excessive sugar or additives, as the sugar can negate the benefits of fasting. A small piece of high-quality dark chocolate can provide a satisfying treat while offering antioxidants and promoting cellular health. 8. Walnuts. Walnuts are another excellent food to include in your fasting regimen due to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, promote heart health, and support brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are essential for reducing oxidative stress and enhancing autophagy, especially in the brain, which is crucial for preventing cognitive decline and age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. Walnuts are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control appetite by promoting satiety. A small handful of walnuts when breaking your fast provides a nutrient-dense, heart-healthy snack that supports brain function, reduces inflammation, and promotes autophagy. Incorporating these 8 additional foods into your fasting routine, along with the previous 5, provides your body with an even greater arsenal of nutrients and compounds that enhance the benefits of fasting. These foods are rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, probiotics, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all of which help trigger autophagy, support detoxification, and promote cellular regeneration. By being mindful of the foods you consume during your feeding window, you can significantly amplify the healing and rejuvenating effects of fasting, making it a powerful tool for long-term health, disease prevention, and longevity. Thank you so much for watching today's video on Healthy Care Over 50. We hope you found the information useful and that you're excited about the power of fasting and how the right foods can truly transform your health through autophagy. Remember, taking care of your body after 50 is not just about managing symptoms. It's about empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to feel better, live longer, and thrive. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up to show your support. It really helps. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you've tried any fasting methods or specific foods mentioned here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Care Over 50. By subscribing, you'll be joining a community of people committed to living healthier, more fulfilling lives as they age. We're always bringing you the latest research, tips, and practical advice on how to maintain and improve your health, so you don't want to miss any of our future videos. Together, let's make the second half of life the healthiest and most vibrant part of your journey.